Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the past video you have seen how to write a program, a basic program, and what are the different definitions in that one. And in the last video we have seen an interactive program regarding print, okay, about the addition of two numbers, and after that we have done about comparison of two numbers. And this is another example of an interactive program, and this is the lesson 3. From here now lesson 3 is there. Till the last video lesson 2 has been completed. If you have any doubt, just write down in the comment, and if you have any doubt you can check my prior videos, in that the doubt has been clarified. I hope you like my videos. It is a very easily and automatically you will explain as you goes on with the videos. It is very easy to explain, and after learning this you can write unlimited number of programs. So let's start with it. In this I am demonstrating two programs into one. Two classes are there. uh, this is one class library.java and other class is library test.java. This is library test.java is our main class. Okay, from here all the operations will take place, and it will go to library.java file, and it will done the logic operation, and again it will come back to library test.java. We will see step by step procedure how this program take place. Let's start with first library.java. In this one the first two lines are for comments, and third line is empty, and fourth line public class library is there. This is the name of the class, as the first letter is capital. Okay, after that we are not having public static void main, we are starting with private string, and this is called as a instance variable. Okay, there are three types of variable in Java: Java instance variable, local variable, and static variable. First I will tell about local variable. Local variable are that which are declared in the method. When you are declaring in the method, it's called local variable. And instance variable are that which are declaring in the Java but it's not declared in the method. It is called as a instance variable. And the static variable are those which are same as instance variable, which are declared in class but not in method, but a keyword is attached to it, static. So that is called as a static variable or class variable. So three types of variable are there in Java. Depending upon the requirement, we'll take the variable. In this example, we are taking instance variable. So let's start with public void set names. So this is what we are calling name, and we have to attach the data type to it. The name data type is string. That's why we have to write here. And the void is there because there is nothing written from this method. That's why we use void and public to access that one. Set name is the method given by a programmer to set the name. Okay, to call this method. To write a set name, you should start with a small letter, but the next word and the next first letter of the next word should be a capital. Here N is capital. That's why we have to write like this, set name. Okay, the method is called like this, but if a class is there, first letter should be capital, and in method first letter should be small and the next letter first word should be capital. And let's start. This is the left curly braces, the open, and it is closed by right curly braces, and here it is written this dot name. Now this is the name, it is written here, and this name is what we have declared in the instance variable. Now what is this? This is used to refer a instance variable. Okay, to refer the instance variable we have to use this. We will also use to declare method, constructors. Okay, we also use to refer constructor and other methods also. So for in this program, for referring the instance, we are using this dot name. Okay, now here it will store the name, and after that once this over, now other method is get name. Once storing the method, now we have to get the name. So it is written by this name, get name method. Okay, and here nothing we are doing, that's why it is blank. Now this is string. The data type is string. The data type of the method is string, and it is public. We haven't written void here. Why? Because as we go inside the method, it is a return. If a return is there, we won't write void. If a non-return type is there, then only we will write void. Otherwise, if we write void and return, you will get nothing. So return here is a return value of the name to the caller, whoever is calling. Then it is get closed by this right curly braces, and the class is closed by right curly braces. This is the end of class. Now in this class we have java.library class. We have seen the complete structure of the program. Then after that we have seen the complete detail in this java.library file. If you have any doubt, then pause the and again see the video once again. Now what we will do, we will see the other class, that is library test.java. Okay, so this is the 29 line program. In that some comments are written. The first line is about library.java we are calling here, and as this both are in the same package, we don't have to import it from other package. In the later videos we will see the detailed description about packages, how you should call from other, if a class is there, how you can call from other packages. But in this one it is in the same package, so you don't have to call using import. But we are using import java.util.scanner because we are taking input from keyboard. As I told in my prior videos, scanner is used to take data from keyboard, database, files, network. So scanner we are using, the name of the class is library test. Please concentrate here. The first letter of the word is capital, and the next word first letter is also capital. This is how you will write class name. Flower curly braces, left curly braces. This is the start of the class, and after that public static void main. In the second video I have explained this one, and the string is there, class predefined class in java.lang. Scanner is there, predefined class in java.util. We don't have to declare packages for java.lang, but it is already predefined. But in the case of scanner and other classes we have to define. Okay, you can find these packages under the Java documentation which is present online, given by the Oracle company. Okay, you can access that one and you can find. You can also find here in this ID, just bringing the cursor on the word, it will show you the definition as well as in which package it is stored. Okay, this is the syntax of the scanner. Just mimic right now. I will show in the next future classes why it is written like this. Here new is the operator here. Now after that we have create this class, and now we have making it into an object. The object syntax is like this: library, the name you have to give what you want to allot, and new, and again the class name using this parenthesis, and it should be end with semicolon, otherwise you will get error. Semicolon is used to end the function. Okay, it is used in C and C++, and in MATLAB programming we'll write semicolon for the end of the function, end of the statement. So we are creating a library object and assign it to my library. You can name it anything, but that name should be used in the future, otherwise you will get error. But don't use system defined words, okay, like print, like go to. Don't use this word. It's already predefined in Java. Now this is a small demonstration of creating object. Just mimic for this time. In future we'll see in complete detail. And after that, display initial value of name. Here what we are doing, we are giving the system .out.printf. We are seeing if any stored value is there in the library.java. So we are seeing about the system.out.printf. So printf is the print format, and here we are just printing whatever store is there, but it will show you a null value. Okay, we'll writing this to learn this thing. System is a predefined class and it is stored in java.lang. Out here is the object, print is the method, and there are three types of method. Print is a printf, println, and println. You can see my prior videos of this channel, you will get to know. And after that we will write this initial name is %s, %n, %n. Why we are writing %l? This can be only used in printf. If you write println or print, it will give you error. %s is written to get the string of the data, and %n is for the next line the cursor should go, and again %n, again the next line the cursor should go. So it will be a 2 lines. After that comma is given. Now how it is calling? It is calling with this, with reference to this my library, what you have declared and what you have assigned to your main class. So it will go into the my library. From my library it will go to library. From library it is going to get name method. Okay, what it is written here. So this is how you link your method from library, from this method to class, and from class to where it is assigned. This is how you will give the reference. So to it will declare it is shown by my library dot get library get name. Okay, and after that it will show you null value, and again it will prompt on the command system.out.println and just print the name. And now see, it is important here, we are taking this name and we are assigning it to the name. Okay, we are assigning it to the name variable. Now the name is written. Now the word should have a data type. The data type is string, because we are giving a collection of characters. A name is a collection of characters, so we are giving it to a string. Now how it is assigned means like S, the scanner which we have taken, the next line. Okay, here it will read the line of text. If an integer is there, then it will write next int. Okay, if a word is there, then it will take next line. Depending upon the data type, the next here it will get change. Okay, so it is declared by using s dot next line. If you are written, for example, s input here, then what you have to do, you have to change this one also, you have to change into input. So this is how you relate scanner while reading you the data. If the relation is not correct, then it will show you error. After that, the next line states that my library dot set name, the name. Now the name it has taken. Okay, the operation in the Java goes from right hand side to left hand side. So it is taking the input and it is taking the character and it is assigning to this variable the name. Again the name should go and get in the this one. So how it will go? It will take the name and it will go into this one, set name method. The set name method is assigned to which? My library. Okay, the class library is assigned to my library. So this is how it will assign here, my library dot set name. It will go into the library, it will go into the library class, and from there it will go to the set name method and it will set the name. Once it is set the name here, the name value will get set here. This is, as I said, this is a reference. Okay, it is used to take the reference for the instance variable. Now the name is set here. Okay, now the next line is system.out.println. We are just printing in a blank line. Now this comes the output. Whatever name we have given input, it will show the output here. Okay, it will display the output. The system.out.printf, name in the object my library is first percentile n, next line, again it will print the string, and again it will go to the next line, the cursor will go to the next line. How it will call? With the same reference, my library, which we have assigned while creating an object, and it will go to the get name. The get name is having what? Name. It will take the name from here and it will return. As it is not having void, it will return the name. Okay. Now this is the right curly braces, this is the end of the class, and again the right curly braces, the first right curly braces is the end of the main method, and the right curly braces after that is the end of the class. Now we'll run this program and see the output. Okay, the first printf is initial name is null. Now the next one directly it has come, and it is not taking any input value, there is no scanner present here. So we'll write the name Java tutorial and we'll press enter. The name of the object, my library, is Java tutorial. It is going into the next line, it is printing, and again the cursor has come to the next line. Okay, so this is the output of this program. If you have any doubts, just write in the comment. You have seen it, how easily it was to understand this program, and once you understand this program, you can write a limited number of programs depending upon the logic. And as you follow this tutorial, automatically you will get understand how to write a Java program and how to understand this one. It will become very easy for you. If you like my video, please press like, please share, and thanks for watching.